Hi viewers, welcome to the Voice of Tripura channel. Today we are so excited to capture a multi-talented Mr. India Tourism World 2022. He is none other than Mr. Mithun Debarma. Mr. Mithun Debarma, you are welcome to the Voice of Tripura channel.
Thank you so much.
Mr. Mr. Mithun, after a short while, you are leaving home state for foreign nation to represent our nation at the 6th editions of Mr. Tourism World International Championship 2023. Can you tell us in which country the upcoming Mr. Tourism World International Championship 2023 is going to take place?
That will be in the Philippines, the city of Manila.
Okay. Okay. As you are going to represent our nation, India, in the international arena,
Yeah.
how excited you are, and what would you like to convey to the mass Indian as well as to the international community?
I'm super excited, super thrilled, and also a bit of pressure because I'm going to represent 1.4 billion people.
Okay.
So just keep me on your prayer so that I can bring the trophy back home, international trophy.
Okay.
This time it's not only for our people, not only for our Tripurasa people, but also for the whole nation. I'm competing.
Okay.
So just pray for me so that I can give my 100% best, so then I can rise our Indian flag at the top. Thank you.
Okay. Definitely we're praying for you.
Yeah.
And thank you so much for being with us. And we wish you all the best
Thank
and
you
the
so
grand
much.
success.
Thank you
God
so
bless you, Mr.
Thank you so
Mithun and Mr. India.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hamba.
Thank you. Hamba. And